Hello, namaste, annyeonghaseyo, hola, привет. In today's drawing, I will be creating some sunflowers, something I have been wanting to draw for a long time. To begin, mark a few center points as shown in the video. This step will help us draw circles using a special tool that I will be introducing today. So, here I am using the Exlicon Golden Ratio Circle tool, which is a really unique and helpful tool for drawing perfect circles. Unlike the regular compass, which often creates a hole in the paper at the center point, this tool works differently and prevents any damage to the surface. That's one of the things I really like about it. It keeps the paper neat and clean, especially if you are working on a final artwork or a special piece. Now, we will begin by locating the dots we had marked earlier. These center points will guide us while placing the tool correctly. Once the tool is aligned with one of the dots, take an empty pen refill and insert it into the center hole of the tool. This acts like a placeholder and helps keep everything steady. Then using a pencil, trace around the curved groove or measurement line to draw the circle. For this particular drawing, I have used the upper side of the section labeled R10 to make the first circle. After that, we are going to draw another circle, slightly larger, using the same reference point. This time, I have chosen the dot that corresponds to the section marked R25 on the tool. And just like before, place the refill in the center and draw your circle with a pencil. You can repeat this process to draw circles of any size by selecting different points or measurements on the tool. It gives you so much flexibility, especially if you are doing mandala art, floral pattern, or anything that requires precision and symmetry. If you are curious to learn more about how this tool works or where to get it from, I have included a link in the description. Feel free to check it out. It's definitely worth exploring if you are into detailed and clean circle-based artwork.